Okay, viewers, this is a 2015 Chrysler Town and Country. My roof or rear DVD monitor doesn't work, but it does work on the forward one here. Whenever I press turn VAS on, it doesn't come on. Uh, Let me show you back here. This moment it should show some kind of lights or the Chrysler symbol. Nothing shows up on there, but see, nothing happens here. It says VES systems off. At this moment here, the monitor should be playing because I have a DVD in there. See, I have a DVD in here, and so it's reading the disc menu, rear VES. The system should be now playing. Nothing showing. The screen is black. So I have to take this monitor here out and put another one in. And I'm going to show you guys the easy way how to remove and reinstall or replace this one here. So let's turn this engine here off.
You're on Pandora.
Turn the systems off. And the first thing I'm going to do, guys, is disconnect the negative post on your battery for safety, because there's a lot of electrical wires up here, guys, and I don't want any electrical shorts. So the first thing I'm doing here is to show you the safe way of doing it. So I'm going underneath the hood. Open the hood. Okay, I'm going to disconnect my negative post from my battery here. Now I know I will not, for any coincident accidents or anything like that, causes any sparks or electrical shorts. So we know safety is priority, and that's the first thing we do here. The next thing we're going to do here, guys, to close your monitor. And then this is your roof light right here. You just use a very thin screwdriver and just slide it up in here, pop it down, and it's just a couple clips here, guys. See, 4 clips. 4. Then you disconnect your wire harness right here. That's the first thing you do after disconnected your battery. And then there are a 10mm bolt here and a regular here, one over here, one over here. These I pre-loosen them for faster removal because time is of the essence and battery power is not really a good friend of us. So we have to make sure that we do it at a very fast pace. And like you can see, guys, I do not allow the entertainment center to hang down because you only have 2 bolts in the back here, and the wire harness actually used as support, but you can't put too much pressure on it. So if you can use both hands, one hand to support the entertainment center and the other hand to loosen up on your bolt. And so we can just slide this monitor here up. But before you do that, you disconnect your electrical connectors, one there and the other one is right here. And then slide the monitor up, out, and That's the easy way to replace your monitor, guys. That is it. So the next step I'm going to do with this monitor, guys, I'm going to go inside this monitor and check and see how the ribbon cable, see if it's broken or something is going on up in here. That's going to be our next step. So hopefully you follow along, guys, and I'll show you the way to do it, to get it done. Okay, guys, so I have torn down the DVD monitor, and what I found is the ribbon cable broken right here. You can see the crack right there. That's line right there. That's where it broken there. By moving the monitor back and forth over the period of time, what usually happens is it actually put a crease in here, and then eventually it breaks. And that's what really causes the rear monitor not to work. So I have installed a brand new one I ordered on Amazon, and I installed a brand new one in there. There's a video I have out there, guys, how to tear this thing down and reinstall the new ribbon cable. If you want to see that, you can go to that video. But in the meantime, I'm going to go ahead and reinstall this monitor here with the new ribbon cables, and then we all see how it works. Should works fine, you know, because I found the problem. So let's go from here. So guys, what I'm going to do here, start with the safety. The battery is disconnected, so I am going to go ahead and reinstall this thing here. So you put it from the top, guys, like that, and then it goes down and it goes over these little knobs inside here. That's good. That's good. And we work this other end. There we go. And now it sits nicely in there. Okay. And then the next step we're going to do is these 4 insulation screws with the 20 T-torque bits, and to support the monitor over here. So that's one screw installed. Another one here. This one here. And another one right here. All 4 of them. And that's number 4. Okay. Now you got your monitor secure. The next step you're going to do is reconnect your electrical connectors right here. This goes into the white section, and this goes into the black, which is the gray, goes into the black connector right here. We know what that's in. So now we have everything together here, guys. I can go ahead and remember, these are your clips. There's all 4 of them, and they go into the roof here, one here, one here, one here, and one here. Then it goes up in there, and you snap it, and it locks in. The next step you're going to do is reconnect your 10mm bolt. Just up in there. Okay, that's secure. The next thing is our regular Phillips screw. This goes up in here. Secure. And then your roof light. Don't forget to connect your electrical connector for your roof light. And then go ahead and snap this up in here. And that's your installation, guys, for your rear monitor removal installation. Now we're ready for the test. First, we're gonna reconnect our battery. Okay, guys, I have everything reconnected, and now I'm ready for the rear monitor to be operational check. And there we go. So I found the problem, guys. There goes the test.
At the beach.
The rear monitor is not working.
Or hanging out with
And
friends. Box DVDs with digital copies.
control the volume.
Portable.
Up, down. So now everything's working fine. So hopefully somebody learned something from this video. Really appreciate it. Thank you guys for watching, and please like, share, and subscribe. And if you want to see the teardown of the monitor, there's a video I have out there how to rip the monitor apart and reinstall the new ribbon cables. If you want to see the teardown of the installation of the monitor, you can go to Bagwindy DIY Auto. Thank you for watching, and I hope you like, share, and subscribe. Thank you again.